My name is Dennis Ocampo,
And I'm Jeremy Ocampo.
and we are from Roseville, California, and we've lived in this house for 8 years. Well, the reasons why we wanted to replace, for one, the house was leaking. We could really feel it in the summertime.
And we wanted to enjoy the view, but not feel like we're roasting. An important factor for us when we were selecting a contractor was that they were trustworthy. And it really helped out that they had a lot of testimonials on their website.
The thing that stood out to me the most with 3G was just the fact that it felt more like he was trying to build a relationship with his client. It also helped that he had a lot of pictures and footage of previous projects using Andersen. And, that kind of stood out to us. They know what they're talking about, and you can really get a sense that, it is important to them that they do a good job.
Working with 3G has really been amazing.
Yeah, there was no guesswork in the process. The communication is key, and we really appreciated that.
Replacing our windows has had value. For one, our electric bill is not $1,000 a month. You could really feel the difference in the temperature in here. So that is value in itself. And then also it just looks so much better. They really changed the look of the house.
I would definitely recommend Andersen Certified Contractors to other homeowners.